Shipping times have always been one of the biggest problems in dropshipping. And if customers have to wait 2 or 3 weeks for their orders to arrive, you're gonna deal with refunds, chargebacks, angry emails, and it becomes really hard to build a real brand. But the truth is, shipping times have changed a lot in the last few years. Today, it's actually possible to get 3 to 7 day delivery on most products without buying inventory up front. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do this in my own stores, the supplier I use, and how you can set all of this up yourself. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. Now, 90% of people are still focused on the old method of dropshipping, where you find and sell products directly from AliExpress, but that's completely wrong. The problem with AliExpress is that most suppliers still use ePacket. An ePacket usually takes 15 to 25 business days to arrive, if it even arrives at all. A lot of times there's delays, mix-ups, and the tracking is completely unreliable. And this is gonna lead to a ton of refund requests, chargebacks, and just overall low trust in your brand. You want to give your customers a good experience, that way they come back again and again and keep buying from you. And if you find a reliable supplier with fast shipping, you can really improve your customer experience. This is going to lead to higher conversion rates, fewer refunds, and really help you build a brand that stands out from everybody else. Because fast shipping is one of the easiest ways to separate yourself from 90% of other dropshippers. And modern suppliers handle logistics completely different. In fact, a good supplier will have local warehouses in most major countries. That way they can ensure all of your products ship from the local markets and arrive in just a few days. Not only that, they have much better logistic partners, ensuring that you're only shipping with reliable carriers, not ePacket. Any good supplier will assign you your own dedicated account agent that you can reach out to with any questions, sourcing requests, or anything else you need. So even though you're not buying inventory up front, your suppliers are going to go ahead and source your products in bulk, store them in their own warehouses, and ship all of your orders out very quickly when they come in. And this is what allows dropshippers like you and I to get 3 to 7 day delivery without any inventory risk. You don't have to order your products in bulk, you don't have to store them in your own warehouses, you don't have to touch any of your orders whatsoever. Your supplier is going to handle everything for you. That way you can truly focus on what only matters, growing your brand. And when I'm testing products, I want 3 things: reliable sourcing, faster shipping, and a user-friendly platform. That way I can just log in once a day and fulfill all of my orders. Because before, you used to have to go through one at a time and click on each order on AliExpress, and that took hours every single day. But now you can just log in once a day, click on all of your orders, and pay for them all at once. And this is the supplier that I recently switched all of my brands over to. They're called Teemdrop. Now, Teemdrop is a fairly new supplier. I think they only launched in the last couple of years, but they're already doing numbers, like you can see right here. They have over 1 million users that do over $100 million annually, with 12,000 square meters of warehouse space and over 100 different shipping lines. So to start, this is already really good, but I'll show you what separates them from most suppliers out there. Now, just like any good supplier, they have a ton of different integrations. So if you sell on Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, Etsy, or TikTok Shop, or even any other platform that they support, you can link your store right up to Teemdrop, and they'll be able to integrate and handle everything for you. Now, here's my favorite part, because this is what this entire video is about: their fast shipping. Teemdrop actually has an 8-day guarantee where they ensure that all of your orders arrive in just 8 days or less. And if it doesn't, they'll go ahead and refund you. But as you guys can see right here, over 93% of their US and Europe orders meet that requirement. But regardless, they have 99% tracking accuracy. So as soon as your customers get a tracking number, they can track it every step of the way. And another great thing is their processing time, because over 90% of their orders ship out within 24 hours. So from the time your customer places an order on your store to when it arrives at their doorstep, this is typically 8 days or less. In fact, I'm getting 3 to 7 day delivery on most of my own products. And you guys can see some more information about their average shipping times down here. To the US, you get 6 to 8 day delivery, Europe 7 to 9, Canada 9 to 12, and global 12 to 18. But this is just their average. And this is all of the orders combined. Like I said, I'm getting 3 to 7 day delivery on most of my own products, but this will be completely customized to your own brand. And we'll go over all of this in just a moment, but some other great things about Teemdrop is the fact that they can source any product you need them to, auto-fulfill anything. They have local fulfillment, like I already talked about. They have warehouses all over the world. They have a really strong quality control team in place. This just means they have a team of people that inspect every order and every package before it leaves their warehouse. If a product's not up to their quality standards, they'll go ahead and discard it and move on to the next one at no additional cost to you. But another great thing is that they actually support print on demand and clothing brands better than any other supplier out there. They can source any product you need them to: hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, pants, hats, even jewelry, custom plaques, whatever you need. So I'll log into my account, and this is the page it takes you to right here when you first log in. You're gonna see products right away from their own Teemdrop suppliers, or you can sort through these different catalogs as well from 1688 or Taobao. Now these two websites are just like AliExpress, but usually you can't order from them without an agent. But since Teemdrop assigns you your own agent, you guys can source any product you need to from any of these platforms. But honestly, Teemdrop has most major dropshipping products out there already. And if they don't, just reach out to your agent and they'll be able to get it for you. So I'll leave a link for you guys down below in case you want to try them out. To get started, just create an account, and then right over here where it says store management, you're going to click on authorize store. And you can see one of my main brands right here already paired up. I actually paired this one in August of last year. And this is by far one of the best suppliers out there. Like I said, this is something I actually use myself. But if you want to add your own store, you're going to click on the purple add store button right here. Then you're going to select if you want to pair a Shopify store, WooCommerce, or an eBay store. Since I really only sell on Shopify, we'll select Shopify and we'll click authorize. Then all you have to do is pair up your store to Teemdrop. It's that simple. Once your store is connected, the entire process becomes pretty hands-off. You'll be able to find and source any products you need to under the find product category. Then you'll be able to see all of the products that you source right here under store products. When you start to generate orders, they'll sync up automatically with Teemdrop, and you can view them all right here under orders and purchase order. And this is going to show you every single order that pops up on your Shopify store that needs to be fulfilled. To keep things simple, I just log in once every day. I click on this little checkbox right up here at the top. I click pay, and I pay for my orders one time every single day. It's that simple. Like I said before, you used to have to go through on AliExpress and pay for everything one at a time, and that took forever. But with Teemdrop, this literally takes 5 minutes. I log in once a day, see how many orders I got, pay for everything, and they'll send them out that same day. So usually my customers will have tracking numbers the exact same day they place an order from me. And this is huge. And I did say they have a very strong print on demand catalog as well. You can view that right over here under print on demand products. And right away, you can see all these different products you can sell. You can sell these embroidered sweatshirts, you can source this hoodie, any other type of hoodie. They have these custom photo socks. Really anything that you need to on here. And like I mentioned before, if you don't see it on here, reach out to your agent and they'll go ahead and source it for you. Because every new account that signs up for Teemdrop will get their own dedicated account agent. This is somebody that works with you directly to help you grow your business. And if you guys go over here to find product and click on winning products, they'll actually recommend you winning products you can sell in your own store right now. So these were some of the hottest products last month because we had Valentine's Day. These were some of the strongest products scaled on Teemdrop by other dropshippers, because they see firsthand what's working, so they can go ahead and recommend you some hot products. Because the more sales you make, the more money Teemdrop makes. But what I would say is probably the greatest thing about Teemdrop is their actual pricing. Teemdrop is completely free to use. There's no hidden fees, there's no sourcing fees, warehouse costs, or anything. In fact, most platforms out there charge you up to $100 a month just to use their services, things like AutoDS or Zendrop. But with Teemdrop, you only pay for your orders as they come in. So all of your costs are upfront and transparent in the product cost itself. There's no platform fees, monthly fees, or anything. And this is what really sets them apart from other platforms out there. So let's take a look at some of these products for a quick example. Like I know this ab roller right here was a very popular product from the past. In fact, I've seen a couple stores doing over 100K a month with it recently. So let's say you guys wanted to sell this product yourself. I'll go ahead and click on it. And if you wanted to sell this yourself, you could source it on Teemdrop for just $5.04. And you're getting it delivered in just 7 days. That's insane. So I'll keep scrolling through this list and see what else we can find. So here's a white label supplement if you wanted to start a supplement brand. This one's actually creatine. So you can source this on Teemdrop for just $3.61 per container. And you can sell this for upwards of like $20, $30 per sale. Because this is a white label product and they'll print your own custom labels on each one, it does take a little bit longer to arrive. This one right here is 12 to 18 day delivery. That's a little bit concerning, but you can also reach out to your agent and see if they have any other shipping lines available. That's something I usually do for all of my own orders, because I have had products that said 12 to 18 days for delivery, but then I have gotten them down to that 3 to 7 days as well. All you have to do is reach out and ask. The worst they can say is no. But this is by far the best way to source any dropshipping product right now. Fast shipping is one of the easiest ways to improve your dropshipping business. It improves your customer experience, increases conversion rates, and makes your store feel a lot more like a real brand instead of a typical dropshipping store. Platforms like Teemdrop make that possible by handling sourcing, fulfillment, and logistics, so you can focus on what really matters: finding winning products and growing your store. And if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below so you can try it out. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.